Hi and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today we wanted to look at a little Halloween project. This is a little fun kind of wind chime Halloweeny decoration using our new glow-in-the-dark ghosts. Check them out in the dark. How fun is that? Love these, love their shape. Also I have to just point out, so the top bit is made with this mould. I'm going to show it to you properly in a minute. I've shown this before. Very versatile, and we've just put our fish skeletons in there to make a fun Halloweeny top bit for it. This mould's great. You treat it with zip, and then you can create lots of different rings in it. In fact, we first of all thought we'd create one this big, and then I was like, actually I want a really small little one. And what I might do, this has also got the fish bones in it, is use that as a rim of a bowl, which I think would be really fun. So I've got that idea to do with that too. Great mould, we'll put the link in. It's not always available in stock. They're kind of, made in batches, but get them when they're around. They're really useful and versatile, and lots of things to do with them. So check that out. Needs priming with zip, and then you're ready to go. So today I'm going to show you how we made this. So here it is. We have used our bales. These you can buy in our shop. They're great because they're so small, and we have them for sale. Really good for jewellery and for other little projects like this. And then we've just tied it to the top using a fancy, lovely fishing knot. So that's how we've done it, and using fishing wire. The fishing wire does mean the pieces get tangled up a little bit quite easily, but I still think it's so fun, and it's a really kind of ghostly, spooky thing. Slightly quite like it. It's this idea to do a little fantastic mobile for a child. Maybe not with scary ghosts, but maybe with scary ghosts, because that's kind of fun because they glow in the dark at night. And that is quite a fun idea. So that's us putting it together. I think it's a really fun piece. Remember, you can get all our products, including these new glow in the dark fantastic ghosts. Trying to show you one properly at tabithasglassemporium.com. Here's again how they look glowing. I think this is a really fun piece. I also think, look how great those would be as earrings. I just think they would be such fun earrings, and kind of glow in the dark, or kind of glow in the dark earrings and necklace. And that's the thing about our MURRINE, is you can just use them for something like that. You could just tack fuse them and put them on a jewellery bell and make them your own, and it becomes really cost-effective jewellery, and that is awesome for Halloween. I think, I'm definitely going to make myself a pair of glow-in-the-dark Halloween earrings. They're just going to be so cute to wear for Halloween. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. As I said, all our products at tabithasglassemporium.com. Go check it out there. You can sign up to our newsletter and check out all that's happening here. We only send out a couple of newsletters a week, and it's a great way of keeping in touch with what's going on here. You can also sign up to our Facebook group. That's Tabitha's Glass Emporium Facebook group, and there's lots of our other customers who are doing wonderful things with our MURRINE, and it's a great place for inspiration. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All of these things help us help you. So do that, and until next time, happy fusing.